Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel.
Assalamu alaikum. If you face this problem that available networks bar is not showing for Wi-Fi connection, then don't worry. Here are easy ways to fix this problem easily. The first method is that you restart your PC or laptop. Second is uninstall device from device manager. Let's move on laptop screen to show you these methods. Restart the laptop PC. On the left bottom on taskbar, right click on Windows Start icon and under shutdown or sign out menu, click restart. If after restarting the PC or laptop, the problem is still existed, then you need to open Device Manager from File Explorer. Open File Explorer from taskbar. On the right side, right-click on this PC. Now choose Properties. Click Device Manager under Related Settings. Click Network Adapters to expand. Now, right-click on the Wi-Fi device used for Wi-Fi internet. Now, click Uninstall Device. Check Delete the driver software for this device. Now, click Uninstall. After that, right-click on Network Adapters and click Scan for hardware changes. The Windows will install Wi-Fi drivers automatically and show available networks bar will be shown immediately, inshallah. If this video helps you, then please subscribe to On Videos channel for more videos. Take care and Allah Hafiz.